everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I have a Meijer must-do deals video that is finally amazing. So it has been a hot minute since we've seen a really good sale happen at Meijer, but this week, January 9th through the 15th of 2022, we have a 10 for 10 sale, get the 11th item free, and we've got some pretty awesome deals that are happening this week. So before we get going, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos, especially if you are a Meijer fan. Please make sure you're watching the videos, give it a great big thumbs up, share it with friends, leave me a comment, all those good things. It helps get the reach out there. I want to keep continuing to do these, but last week the video was awful with views. So this one is definitely a better sale. We're going to see a lot of awesome deals. So hopefully this one does a little bit better, but I want to keep doing these for you because I also enjoy Meijer, but I got to make sure it's worth my time. So please, 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 please make sure you are sharing this and liking it and all that good stuff. All right, let's get going. Okay, so if you haven't gotten this freebie yet, you still have that last opportunity to get it. It's still available. I don't know how much longer it's going to be available, but you want to grab the Mountain Dew Major Melon 20 ounce. It's regularly priced $1.99. You pay that out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for that back, and it's free. Really easy freebie. And let me know in the comments if you've already grabbed this one and where did you grab it, because I know you can grab it at Walmart and at Kroger and all those good places. Same thing here. We have just crack an egg omelet, $3.49. Pay that out of pocket, get that back from Ibotta. I actually already did this deal a couple weeks ago. It should still be available to you, so definitely check your Ibotta and make sure it is available. If you've already done it once, then it will reload as $1 back, and so you can grab them for $2.49 at that point. But it is available. I wanted to make sure you know about this in case you've missed it or you're new to my channel. All right, let's talk about the 9 Elements dish soap here, regularly priced $3.99. We have a 2-off-1 in perk, making that final cost just $1.99. So pretty good deal there. We also have Tumero's 10-inch carb-wise wrap. So I'm definitely interested in this. As some of you know, I am started back on keto since the new year began, and so I'm definitely liking low carb options, especially with these wraps. So regularly priced $3.29, on sale for $2.49, and there's $1 off one each in perk, which I love eaches because then you can grab more than one. Just $1.49 each, which is a great price. I'm definitely gonna be checking out. If you've had these before, let me know in the comments how many carbs they are. It's kind of hard to tell from the picture, but it does say low carb. So if it's like 4 or less carbs per tortilla, I'm definitely interested. Next, we have Swiss Miss Cocoa. Now, there are specific ones like the Caramel Delight here. Regularly priced $2.09, on sale this week for $1.69. And we have a 75-cent off one in perk. Do make sure that you get the right kind of Swiss Miss for this. But final cost just 94 cents for one of these. Really great deal, especially as it is getting colder. It just snowed the other day for us. We actually had a snow day for the kids on Friday. And so it's starting to get into that real good winter weather. And it's always fun to come in from the snow and have some hot cocoa. So you may want to be grabbing these now. All right, guys, the next couple of slides are going to be a part of this Quest promotion that they're doing this week. So Quest products get 3 off instantly when you buy 3. I'm going to show you a lot of different deals, but I wanted to make sure you are aware of this sale. And of course, you can always mix and match these to make them fit whatever you want to do. So let's talk about this. First one are the Quest protein chips. These are regularly priced $8.99. You grab 3 of them, you get that 3 off when you buy 3. So out of pocket, you'd pay $23.97, and then Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Final cost is $20.97 total, or $6.99 each, or basically $1.75 per bag. If you are like me and you do keto or you do low carb or something, you know these Quest chips are ridiculously priced, and so I wanted to kind of give you a breakdown of what it is individually per bag. Like if you would go to the store and just buy a bag, they're like $2.50 per bag. So this is obviously a good deal for you, but man, I don't even eat these because it's just not worth the expensive price for it. But with some savings, it might be worth it for you. All right, next deal we have here is the Quest bars. Grab 3 of these. They're regularly priced $8.89. Again, they're part of the buy 3, get 3 off that comes off instantly. Plus, we do have $1 off 1 in perk. I really was hoping this would be an each. I would be so excited to see that. So out of pocket, $22.67. You'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times. Final cost $19.67 total, or $6.56 each. Now this one's a little bit better, and it interests me. I'm probably going to go grab a deal doing keto with some of these, because these definitely interest me. I've not tried the Quest frosted cookies. There's a couple different options. The chocolate cake's there. There's also the birthday cake. I think there might be one more. I'm not sure. But anyway, these are regularly priced $8.99. They're also part of the buy 3, get $3 off, and they do attach to the $1 off 1 in perk. Now remember, you only have $1 off in perk unless you have multiple accounts. And so you want to make sure that you don't expect to use this in separate transactions and do all of these deals. Out of pocket, $22.97. Submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. You get it back 3 times, so $6 back. Final cost $16.97 total, or $5.66 each. Let me know if you've tried these, because I definitely am interested. Next, we have the Quest Peanut Butter Cups. Grab 3 of these for this deal, regularly priced $8.99. Again, buy 3, get $3 off. And you can also use that $1 off 1 in perk, as it is attaching to this one as well. Out of pocket, $22.97. Ibotta has $1 back on 1 for these, up to 5 times. Final cost $19.97 total, or $6.66 each. Not a great price there. All right, the Quest Candy Bites. This is another new Quest product that I'm interested in trying. So again, let me know in the comments if you've tried these. Are they any good? Regularly priced $8.99, a part of the buy 3, get $3 off. That $1 off 1 in perk does attach to this product as well. So out of pocket, $22.97. Submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1. It's a limit of 3 times. So you get $6 back there. $16.97 total, or $5.66 each. All right, if you're like me and you kind of want to try a bunch of different things, you may want to put together a little combination mini deal here. So the suggestion for me is buy 1 of the Quest frosted cookies, regularly priced $8.99, 1 of the Quest candy bites for $8.99, and 1 of the Quest bars for $8.99. Your total is going to come up to $26.97. You are going to get that 3 off instantly when you buy 3, plus the $1 off 1 in perk. So your out of pocket is $22.97. Submit to Ibotta for 2 back on the cookies, submit to Ibotta for 2 back on the candy, and submit to Ibotta for $1 back on the bars. Final cost $17.97 total, or just $5.99 each. Not bad, and you get to kind of try it all. Plus, you're going to use several different Ibotta rebates. If you're chasing any kind of bonuses or anything like that, this may be the way to go. All right, if you are interested in some cereal, you can buy 2 of the Cheerios cereals. It does not have to be the regular Cheerios. It can be the Honey Nut Cheerios. It just needs to be Cheerios. These are regularly priced $3.49. They're on sale for $2.50 each. There is a $1 off 2 in perk. Out of pocket, pay $4. Submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on 1. It's a limit of 1 time, so you're only going to get 25 cents back 1 time, not twice, unfortunately. So final cost is $3.75 total, or $1.88 each. All right, guys, so this is actually one of my favorite deals here this week, because you're stacking a whole bunch of deals together to get this amazing price. Unfortunately, the keto-friendly yogurts are not a part of the Ibotta rebate. They do have to be the protein one. So if you're like me and wanting the keto, you're going to have to forego the actual Ibotta rebate, which would make it a little bit more expensive. However, it still would be a good deal. So grab 6 of the Ratio Protein yogurts, regularly priced $1.79. The sale this week is buy 4, get 1 free. So you can use all that. You'll get 1 of those free. So you're going to pay for 5 of them and get 1 for free. And there's a reason why I'm having you grab 6. I'll tell you here in just a second. All right, so 30 cents off 1 in perk. Make sure you load that. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $8.65. At that point, you're going to receive a $2.50 Catalina. Now, the reason why I had you buy 6 is the Catalina is when you buy 6, you get $2.50. Anything under 6, so 5 and under, you only get 50 cent back Catalina. So that right there covers the cost of your last yogurt there. So you definitely want to grab 6 because then you're going to have some overage that's going to help bring the other ones down. Submit to Ibotta for 40 cents back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times, so you'll get 40 cents back 5 times, not 6 times. Final cost would be $4.15 total, or just 69 cents each. With not having a real sale price, regular price $1.79, 69 cents is an amazing price for these. Great deal, especially if you eat these all the time. I am a little bummed it's not the keto offer, but I'm definitely going to look at the protein and see how much sugar's in it, if it might be okay to grab. So we'll see. Okay, the Yoplait yogurts, regularly priced at $1.69. Grab 5 of them for this deal. They're on sale for 50 cents each. There's a 50 cent off 5 in perk, so out of pocket, you're going to pay just $2. Then you can submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on 1. It's the limit of 1 time, but final cost is $1.25 total, or just 35 cents each. Great deal here on yogurt if you're not like specific about the kind of yogurt you want. So if you're not really wanting that high protein or the keto or whatever, this would be a good option. I know my kids really like this Yoplait yogurt. All right, we have another yogurt deal. There is no excuses why you're not getting stocked up on your yogurt this week. So this particular brand of yogurt is regularly priced at $1.34 each, but it's on sale for $1.25. We have $1 off for in perk for these, making the final cost just $1 each. All right, guys, grab 2 of the Nature Made vitamins. Now, they obviously vary from vitamin to vitamin or supplement to supplement. So they're as low as $4.99. That is the cheapest one that I could find online. They are on sale for buy one, get one free. So I love it when it's buy one, get one. That's already going to make everything 50% off. Plus, you can use the 2 off 1 in perk. So you're going to pay as low as $2.99 total, or just $1.50 each. Obviously, if there's a different kind of vitamin and the price varies, that would change it a little bit, but still a really great deal. All right, these Carefree liners, regularly priced $3.49. The sale this week is buy one, get one 40% off. Plus, there is a 3 off 2 in perk. So load that in perk. Your final cost can be $2.58 total, or $1.29 each. If you have a Kroger, there's better deal going on at Kroger this week, at least through Tuesday. At that point on Wednesday, the sale changes. All right, let's talk about some Chobani oat milk here. Regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $3.49. Use the $1.50 off 1 in perk. There's also $1 off 1 in Smart Source 1 too. Final cost $1.99. Chobani coffee creamer is regularly priced $3.99. It's also on sale for $3.49. There is $1 off 1 in perk, or there's $1 off 1 in Smart Source 1 too. Final cost $2.49. Okay, guys, this is what we've been waiting for. This is the sale I wanted to tell you about. 10 for 10, get the 11th item free. So let me talk about this real quick. You do not have to buy a multiples of 10. So that's where we kind of like confuse it with like a Kroger mega sale or something like that, or even their own like mega sale type thing that they do. They do a buy 5 and stuff like that. No, this is just everything is going to be $1. If you grab 11 items, participating items, then you're going to get the 11th item for free. So you're going to pay $10 for 11 items that are $1 each. So extra savings there. Of course, we compare these with coupons, rebate apps, all those good things, and we're going to have amazing deals. Okay, guys, let's talk about our first deal, and guess what? It's a yogurt deal. Go figure, right? Phage Total Split Cup Yogurts, 5.3 ounces, regularly priced at $1.19. They're on sale for $1. You'll pay that out of pocket. Ibotta has a rebate for 50 cents back on 1. It's a limit of 2 times. You can grab up to 2 of these for just 50 cents each. Very cool. Now, it doesn't matter when you purchase this one in your transaction. I'll explain why some of them do matter if you buy them at the beginning of your 10 for 10 or if you buy them at the end. All right, another yogurt deal. All right, grab 5 of the Chobani yogurts. They're regularly priced $1.29. They're on sale for $1 this week, and there's $1 off 5 in perk, making that final cost 80 cents. So you want to make sure that you do purchase these earlier on in your transaction so it doesn't come up as one of these being the 11th free item. Next, we have the Aqua Panna water, regularly priced $1.29 to $1.79. There's actually 2 different kinds that are both on sale for $1, and you can use the $1 off 2 in perk on either one, making that final cost 50 cents. Now, the reason why I said in the last slide, it does matter when you purchase some of these. Anytime you have an in-perk, you want to make sure that this item doesn't come off free, because the in-perk will not attach. Anytime you have a free item, you are not going to get the coupon deal. So if you have items like this one, you want to make sure you purchase it, like you want to scan it very first in your transaction, so that way that in-perk comes off before you get to that free 11th item. We also have the Life Water singles that are regularly priced $1.59. They're on sale for $1. You want to use the $1 off 4 in perk, so your final cost is 75 cents. And same thing with this. If you're getting this water, you want to grab it earlier on in your transaction so it doesn't hit that 11th item and that in perk still works. All right, so the 2 liters, it doesn't have to be the 7-Up or Canada Dry. The Pepsi and the Coke are also included in this. And if you're like me and a Diet Coke fan, I'm going to be grabbing some for myself and probably getting one of those as my 11th item free. Anyway, but the 7-Up or Canada Dry 2 liters actually has an Ibotta rebate to go with it, so it's a great savings. These are regularly priced $1.99. They're on sale for $1. You'll pay $3 out of pocket because you need to grab 3 of them. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on 3. It's a limit of 1 time. So your final cost is $2.50 total, or just 83 cents each. A great savings there. And again, this one does not matter when you purchase it, whether one of these end up becoming one of the 11th free items. Ibotta will not care about that. You will still get that 50 cents back. Next, we have the Snapple 16 ounce. These are regularly priced $1.19. They're on sale for $1 each. Out of pocket, you're going to pay that $1, then submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times, so you can grab up to 5 of these for just 75 cents each. Breakstone's cottage cheese doubles are regularly priced $1.09. They're part of the 10 for 10, so you're going to get them for $1. Pay that out of pocket. Ibotta has a rebate for 50 cents back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times. So you can grab up to 5 of these for just 50 cents each. And again, it doesn't matter when you purchase this in your transaction. All right, a couple of deals I just thought were really good. So the Meijer cream cheese 8 ounce, regularly priced $1.19, is on sale for $1 and part of the 10 for 10. I know I eat a lot of cream cheese, so grabbing these for $1 is a really great price. Plus, if you need any kind of filler items to get to that 11th item to make it free, this would be another great one to do. All right, this one is a great one for a non-keto person or somebody that really loves Oreo cookies. But Nabisco Oreo cookies, they are regularly priced $2.39, but they are a part of this $1 each 10 for 10 sale. Get the 11th item free, making the final cost $1. So this is a really good price on Oreos. So I definitely wanted to include it for you. We don't have any coupons to go with it, but still just an amazing price. Okay guys, that's all I have for you this week. If you like Meijer, make sure you give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss my other Meijer videos. They generally come out either on Sundays or Mondays, depending on when I have time to get them done. But I show you a ton of great deals. If you like them, make sure you're subscribed. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you later. Bye guys.